Right now, we're in our supply warehouse. This row specifically is for repairs of AC systems. We have thermostats, we have contactors, we have transformers, we have hard starts, we have surge protectors, we have filter dryers, condensate pumps, capacitors, control boards, and we have indoor air quality, UV lights, air scrubbers, ionizers. We carry a lot of parts. If you're not sure if your AC needs to be replaced or a part needs to be replaced or repaired, leave in the comments AC and I'll send you a little guide that shows all the different parts and how important it is to change that part or to just replace your AC system completely. I'm Marcus of Pool and Cooling. Follow me for more.